Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record any specific application or software on Windows using OBS. You may be a content creator that do tutorials about Photoshop, Adobe Premiere or CapCut or any other software or application. So you have a question how to record this specific application or software without recording other tabs or windows. It's really easy. Okay folks, this is how you can do it. First, open your specific application. In my case it's Photoshop 2024 version. I have already opened that app. Now open your OBS. Now go to sources panel and click this plus icon, and now go to this window capture. Now type whatever the name of your application or software. I'm typing Photoshop 2024. Now click OK. Now go to this window and select your specific application. In my case it's Adobe Photoshop 2024. I'm selecting that. Okay, now go to capture method and select Windows 10. And if you want to record your mouse cursor, then check this box, and if you don't want, easy, make it uncheck it. Okay, now you can start your recording as you want. It's really easy. Now you can record your specific application or software like this very easily. You don't need to worry about other tabs or windows that you open while doing your tutorials. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Have a nice day. Bye.